Unboxing the XK01 kit from XinaBox. Right, the presentation box is very neat and very useful for classrooms. It pops open like so, and inside we have one handy insert that will tell you everything you need to know, where to go, what links to grab, get yourself up and running with your XK01. We have an SW01, which is a weather station, measures pressure, temperature and humidity. The SL01 is a light sensor, also measures lux but also measures UV. We have the MD01, it's a mechanical spacer and has redundancy and strength. The IP01 is your UART connector, so that will connect your kit to your laptop. The CW01 is your core, also provides Wi-Fi. Inside here we have the OD01, that is your OLED display. And last but not least, the U-bus connectors, which are used to join all the different X chips together. And at the end of it, you still have a lovely little presentation box. So once we open our packets, the X chips fit really neatly into the box. Happy coding!